Good afternoon, students. I am going to continue with the same exercise 7.1 of polynomial. So, first I have already done the definition of polynomial and some examples about the polynomials. So, let's start with the chapter 7.1. So, in first question we have asked that let us write which are the polynomials in the following algebraical expression and write the degree of each of the polynomials. Means in each of these we have to find which are polynomial and write the degree of the polynomial. So we can see that this is all are different terms. This is term 1, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So it is a polynomial. And you have to also see the powers also. The powers are also positive. I told you that powers should be the positive. So all the powers are positive. So we can say that it is a polynomial. So first you have to write it is a polynomial. Okay. And what is its degree? Degree means power. So degree or power is, we have to consider the highest power. So what is the highest power? That is 6. So degree or power is 6. This is the answer. In the same way, the second question is x to the power minus 2 plus 2 to the power x power minus 1 plus 4. So you can see that it is also in different terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, but the powers are in minus. So I told you the power should be in the positive integers. The power should be in positive integers, not in negative. If any will be in negative integers, it will be not taken as polynomial. So it is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. Okay. Next part, question number 2. In the same way you have to do next other sums. Like one question is asked in question number 7, that is what would be the question as given as 15. So what is its degree? So degree of 15 will be, degree is 0. Any numbers degree will be 0. If there is no any alphabet, so the degree will be 0. Okay. In the same way, in the question number 8 of 1, the number is given as 0. So these are not polynomials, because polynomials should be in terms and should be divided by plus or minus sign, are separated by positive or negative sign. So we can say that it is a polynomial. Okay. Now what is the degree of 0? So 0 is a constant term. It is a 0. It is not a term, single term. Okay, it is not a term. We cannot consider 0 as a term. So it is told us it is undefined. 0 is undefined. It is, we will write here as it is undefined, because we cannot define it. Okay, so 0 will be undefined. Next is write which are the first degree polynomial in one variable, which are second degree polynomial in one variable, and which are third degree polynomial in one variable. So I told you what are variables. Variable means the indeterminates or the alphabets. So here we can see that how many alphabets are there or how many variables are there. So we can see that there is only one alphabet, only one variable or one indeterminate. So what we will write? Polynomial with one variable of power what is its power? There is no power, so what we will write? The power will be taken as 1. Okay, in the same way, this is question number 3. This is minus 3, or you can write here as power 1 or degree 1. Okay, or single power, you can write here 1 power or single degree. Okay, or single degree, you can write here 1 power 1 or single degree, you can write single degree also. Okay, because in question we have to ask that about degree. In the same way, in the questions 2 3, minus 3 plus 2y square plus 5xy, so we can see that there are two variables x and y. So there are how many variables on indeterminate? There are two variables, so here we will write polynomial with two variables of power. What is the power in it? So the highest power is 2. So we will write polynomial with two variables with power 2 or degree 2. You can write it power 2 or degree 2. I told you that power, or we can call that power is called degree also. So you can say that of power 2 or degree 2. Next question, question number 3. Write the coefficient of x cube in 5x cube minus 13x square plus 2. So in this question we have to ask that the coefficient of x cube. So here we can see that this is x cube, and I told you in the example of polynomial that what is coefficient? The number with the alphabet related to the numbers, means the factor with x cube related to the alphabet, whatever be the number is given with the alphabet or with the factor and the indeterminate, this is called the coefficient. So in question we have to ask that x cube, the coefficient of x cube. Here you can see that this is x cube, so the coefficient of x cube is 5. So here write that coefficient of x cube is, that is 5. 5 is the answer. So in this way you have to do all the sums of this chapter. So hope so you will all understand this chapter. So if you have to complete it by yourself, the full chapter, this is very easy chapter. Okay, so if you have any query, then kindly ask me. Okay, thank you.